Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Teacher Fiston, and let's provide solution to this question provided from NESA Exam 2019. And it says that all 1,200 students at certain school learn Kinyarwanda K and French F or both using the Venn diagram and shown here to calculate the number of students who learn both language. And B, it says that calculate the number of students who learn Kinyarwanda only and calculate the number of students who learn French only. Okay, and then here we are supposed to find the number of x, and this x shows that this is the number who learn both. Okay, this is equal to 750 minus x, then plus x plus 600 minus x must be equal to, or the number of students is 1,200, and this is letter A. So that, and this will be cancelled to get 750 plus 600 then minus x to be equal to 1,200. Okay, then after, by adding this number we shall get 1,350 minus x to be equal to 1,200. Okay, now by grouping like terms, this will change their position to get negative x to be 1,200 minus 1,350. This will be negative x to be equal to negative 150. Okay, so that x only will be 150, and this x stand by the number of students who learn both languages, and that is letter A. Okay, letter B means we are supposed to find the number of students who learn Kinyarwanda only. Okay, then Kinyarwanda only, we shall get K, okay, which equals to, we know that 750 stands by Kinyarwanda, so that we shall get 750 minus 150. Okay, then this will be 600 students, as those who run Kinyarwanda only. Then letter C, we have asked to find the number who learn French only. This will be, now here we have 600 minus x, so that you shall get 600 minus 150, which equals to 450 students. So that when you take this number of students who learn French only, and then you add those who learn Kinyarwanda only plus those who learn both, shall get all number of students. Okay, and question 18 says that out of 34 students in a class, 20 did Kinyarwanda test and 18 did French test. The number of students who did both tests is twice that of those who did none of the test. So we are supposed to use the Venn diagram to find the number of students who did test both test for both subjects and none of the subjects test, and the last one is for only one test of a subject. Of course, we have used this one Venn diagram that you're going to present all information. We know that here this is element, number of all students, there are 34, must be written here. And we know that those who did both tests must be x, and is twice those who did none, so that it must be x over 2. This x over 2 stands for those who did none, okay? And those who did Kinyarwanda, we shall say here Kinyarwanda, and this is French. We shall say x 20, there are 20, okay? Then minus x to get Kinyarwanda only. And here we are supposed to take 18 minus x to get French only. Then in order to find those who did both only, we shall get 20 minus x plus 18 minus x plus x over 2 to be equal to 34. Then here 20 and this to be cancelled to get plus 18 minus x plus x over 2 to be equal to 34. Then 38 minus x plus x over 2 will be 34. Then x negative x plus x over 2 will be 34 minus 38. Then negative here shall take common denominator of 2 to get negative 2x plus x to be equal to negative 4. Then negative 2x plus x will be negative 8, so that here this will be negative x, which equal to negative 8. Then our x will be 8. So that here, once we come up to what we have asked for, we are supposed to find these two, none of the subject tests, okay, as this one. None of will be those who did none of subject will be x over 2 to be 8 over 2, which equals to 4. Then third one is to find those who did Kinyarwanda only and French only. And Kinyarwanda only stands for 20 minus x, which implies that it is 20 minus 8 to get 12 students. Whereas here we have 4 students. Then here for French only, this will be, we have given 18 minus x, which implies that we will take 18 then minus 8 to be equal to 10 students. And here we have Kinyarwanda only is 10, and Kinyarwanda only is 12, French only is 10, to get 22 plus 8 is equal to 26. Then when you add those who run both, is equal to 8 to get 34 students. Thanks for watching. If it is first time for reaching to my channel, don't forget to share and subscribe.